Good toss. Can I get a thumbs up if you like boat videos?
Is that the open?
That's the open. Welcome back, guys. If you guys haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, because today we actually hit the 4,000 watch hours we need to be monetized on YouTube. So thank you everybody who's been watching and subscribed. We're getting there, folks. We're hustling, and also we're getting to the boat. I know it's been a minute, but we've been collecting a lot of things on the background. So we got new epoxy, we got boat parts ordered for the engine, we're ready to cut Coosa today. We're cutting into Coosa today. We're rebuilding. We're getting this thing in 4th of July, or I'm gonna be real mad and a liar. But we gotta set up a station here today. We got sawhorses. I got a new Krig jig cutter thing that's gonna be able to help guide the saw to cut like basically these 1-inch strips of stringer material. And it's a beautiful day. Without further ado, let's get down the frame. 4x8 sheet of Coosa. Maybe we bought this a little premature.
I'd say about a year, yeah.
23.5
Okay.
by 8.5.
Good.
We're just gonna cut 2 of those.
Same size.
Yeah.
Copy that, chef. Coming right up.
Today we're trying out a new tool. It's the Krig Jig 2000, baby, yeah. It's a rip cut, is what they call it. Turn an ordinary circular saw into a precision edge guided cutting tool. Krig Jig. Not sponsored. I paid full price for this, as always. Not by choice. They just don't like me yet. So we're gonna be using this today to be cutting the pieces out, and I think it's gonna work out well for us.
Cut this one out and we can use it as a template for the next one. Spread our Krig jig rip cut.
This stuff we do want to be wearing our masks for.
Oh yeah, sorry glasses now.
Unfortunately, you know, it's not as cushy as working with wood, but how's it go, bro? Guess it's not a bad idea.
Test me, daddy. Got the fastest speed square in the West. That's probably a good size strip for in there. Oh, we're not, sorry, we're just pre-soaking in there. Strip goes on here.
Strip goes on the back.
How are we gonna de-air? Is that what the screws are for?
We can roll it on the back of this.
Right, but we're not gonna be able to roll it onto the...
No, that's why we need good clamping pressure. And just hope and pray, you know?
Dude, that table is...
Huh?
That table's like bending like crazy when you're leaning on it.
Oh, I'm thick, dude. I'm thick right now. I'm in a thick state. Here.
I'm in my thick form.
The summer's all about getting comfortable for winter. Some people have that Hollywood mindset. I got that survival mindset.
If you can survive winter at or survive summer at your winter state.
Okay guys, new to the arsenal of tools.
Ooh.
We got a fin roller. What this will do is help get all the air bubbles out of the fiberglass without sticking to the fiberglass. That's the key.
That's hot, dude.
We got 1. We got 2. We got 3.
Oh my god, it's a pizza cutter.
This one, I don't know what this one's for.
For corners, maybe?
Maybe doing the screens
Edges?
on the houses.
Yeah, it's for the...
Yeah, edges for sure. So that's gonna help us set it up. And then we have little brushes that we can use too. Now our order of operations, we have our cut piece of Coosa here. And what we're gonna do is lay a piece of fiberglass onto this, wet it down, get it nice and flat, and then we're going to stick that piece with the fiberglass onto the boat, and from the inside of the boat we're going to screw this down to add clamping pressure. I went back and forth on whether or not we should use epoxy, but because we're laminating, I decided to stick with the laminating resin. 350 milliliters of polyester resin. Coming in hot. Oh, she's shaky up here.
Dude, the horseshoe blood.
The horseshoe crab blood. Welcome, brother. This is what we do on the weekends.
Looks like you're selling drugs.
Why do you think the inside of this thing's white, dude? Caked in coke.
Hey, what's 1% of 350?
3.5. Move the decimal point over 2 times.
10?
That seems fine. Just do like 5.
Yeah, I think 5 is fine. Alright, suit up. This is known to the state of cancer to cause California, dude. As somebody who would say, or all ABE, buddy.
Sounds good, though.
He's like sitting over here huffing it, dude. It's your new cologne, Mason. Alright, we gotta use a little acetone to clean up the surface. Welcome back to Down to the Fry. Hey, it's cooking off pretty quick already. It's already green.
Ooh.
Wish we had a bigger brush, but it's right there.
When life gives you lemons.
Laminate your brain brush, dude. Pre-soaking. Gravity's helping me out a little bit.
There's some dramatic lighting with you right now.
Really?
Oh yeah.
Epic.
The stars and stripes on your arm too.
This is America. That's pretty good. Now let's pre-soak the fabric here. The way we're going to do that is the same approach, but we're going to try to spend a little bit... Oh, it's already brown. This thing's cooking off quick.
We're so used to Arctic temperatures.
And we really are. It's not even a joke, dude. Like, working in the hot summer day, it's going to change the way we move, dude. Woo, we got to get this set up here,
I think
folks.
a 1-inch brush really helps it all.
It really adds suspense, dude.
Yeah, Jesus.
This is like a
The
half
only reason
inch.
we gotta go fast because you're gonna swallow the brush.
Story of my life, dude. Alright, we're definitely going to have to get a bigger brush. The glove method is really not advised. And we lay the force... No. We lay her on good and flat. And what we're going to try to do is get as much of the air bubbles out as possible.
Oh my god.
That's nice.
This thing
dude.
kicks ass. We've been doing it wrong our entire lives.
You keep rolling that out, I'm going to go pre-soak back there.
You got it. All I can hear is vigorous swishing.
Panic swishing.
You now claim that this boat is hand-laid in fiberglass?
Oh yeah, dude. Can't wait until we get started on the kick climb.
Heavy breathing.
Okay guys, Jay's in here. He's just templating out the Coosa. We got that piece of Coosa set in there. Screws coming out. A little bit aggressive on the rear here, but everything I touch, I get dust on me. Okay. They're coming out the back here, but I figure that we are gonna end up having to just kind of re-gel coat pretty much this whole boat, but we'll patch that, not a problem. We really had no better way to secure the Coosa to there, so
What do you think?
feel like it's accurate?
Live assessment of our template.
We need like a jigsaw. Oh no.
Shot? Yeah, right between Josh's legs the entire time.
Just
Raw footage on your jaw.
drop a loogie down on the camera.
Oh my god. Wow.
28?
On the fucking money, 28.
Okay, so we'll do 28. 5. Ooh, what is this, Jay?
So you're cutting with a circular piece.
How much was this?
You're cutting a square with a circle. You're gonna have some run through.
This? 250? Okay. Honestly, I can't judge cats because I don't have an opinion on them. How's that?
We did it.
Whose bike is this?
Oh, not your dick.
Wait. No! I didn't expect it.
What are you doing?
Somebody can wrap your arms. I'm not joking.
like we're at a wedding or something. Like holding up the veil. Trying to remember if it was in there.
The handsaw, right? The fucking. Yeah.
Well, sometimes don't think about that.
They don't care. Now we got an inside guy. You think you?
Soak this side, soak this individually, then lay it down,
And I'll lay on
soak
top of it.
soak the other side, and we'll clamp it.
All right, guys. So right now we're mixing the epoxy. We cut the 2 pieces, and we're now gonna pre-soak one side, soak our fiber here, and then sandwich together, like on the edges.
Yeah, on the edges, probably. I guess more.
Did they say they could fix it?
Yeah, they fix it.
Oh, they did? Good stuff. Look at those.
Basically a glue.
Yeah, basically.
It's like Loctite.
No, it's not glue, honey. It's epoxy.
Is that literally just for this? Is that why it's got like rude? Like...
Yeah, we're building. This is our first day of like actually building.
Can you roll with this?
Alright, that's more so to get the air out. This is to work in the
Yeah.
material. Alright, so after laying up the centerpiece here, we're going to have to wait because that's got to set up, and then we're going to cut the bottom to fit, and then we'll screw it down just like we're doing here. But right now we're just going to finish over here. So, going to mix up some more resin and get to work. Wow, what a critical error, dude, forgetting to get that on the brush. I think we're going to put the excess on
Okay.
outside.
Oh my god, these are Phillips heads, dude.
Yep. Oh god, maybe too powerful, huh? Really wasn't supposed to have this much extra fiberglass on the outside, but it's okay. Now what we're doing here is getting all of the air and excess resin out from underneath the laminate. This means better contact to the substrate. If the substrate is not properly adhered to, failure to the fiberglass material may occur. Refer to your resin manual for the proper mixture of hardener to resin. 5:1 is recommended. Remember, Loctite, the red specifically, is your friend.
Remember, red Loctite is your friend.
Big day, guys. We transom. Part of it is in. We've been waiting a whole year for this. Couldn't have done it without everybody that's been subscribing, commenting, and liking the videos. A total boat for the epoxy, as well as Hamilton Marine.
Hamilton Marine.
And Spax power lags today. Not power lags, but Spax screws today. Guys, let us know if that was a mistake.
I mean, we'll probably find out.
Before we put it in the water.
Yeah.
But no, good day. We're moving forward finally, and you know, I think this is going to set us up for a good trajectory for the 4th of July. I need to really stop putting a date on it because it's going to scare the hell out of me, but we're here. We're doing it. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next time on Down the Frame.